Alright, we're ready to clean the mainsprings now. We put the great wheel into the mainspring, open up our spring winder, put the square piece of the winding arbor into the chuck, put our safety piece on so it doesn't all fall off. Then round the back we'll put in a hook. Now we're going to remove the mainspring clamp. Now we'll just keep turning the handle in the spring winder until the mainspring clamp comes loose. We'll take it off, then reverse the flow of the winder, slowly let it unwind, and the spring will come with it. A bit of marking on that spring there, we'll check that in a moment. Just let it wind down. Take our safety piece off, that slipped out a bit. Get rid of that. And something sitting on top of that. I'll put a piece of steel wool over that and see what we can do with that skunk sitting on top of the spring. Yep, that's got rid of it, alright. Okay, that's better. Put our safety on again. Alright, we're now going to clean the spring up. I'll get some parts ready for that. Goes over there. We're going to use kerosene and a small piece of scourer pad. We dip the scourer pad in the bottle of kerosene, tip it up and get just a tiny little bit on it. We don't want very much at all. Squeeze the excess back into the bottle, put the lid on it so we don't spill it, and then fold the scourer pad in half, then place it over the spring. Start rubbing it backwards and forwards as you work your way up the spring. I've got a piece of newspaper there because this is going to drop kerosene on my bench and I don't want it to ruin the felt on it. So we just work our way slowly up the spring. You can hear the spring winder unwinding. And the long spring, so we just keep going up as far as we can. Just about there. And there we have it. Right, now we'll come back down the spring the same way. Unwind the spring a bit, rubbing it, holding it relatively tightly on both sides of the coil, and then work our way down. That's a seriously good spring by the look of it. Rid of that, and that over the top. Okay, next part, I'll actually put that back on again, see if it holds. We now have to wipe the kerosene off the spring. We do that with a clean piece of cloth and just wipe it down the full length of the spring. You can see the gunk we're getting off it already. Wind it down. Continue all the way till we get down the bottom, right to the end of the spring. That's the muck that we've removed from the spring. Alright. Now, next step. Once I've unwound this mess, it's over there, right? They're off there. I'll wind the spring back onto the arbor again. I'll rewind the spring, get it sorted out again so that we can grease it. Put that clamp on that to hold it for a moment. There we go. Now I'll reverse the flow because I want to open the spring up a bit. Alright, that'll hold that there. Right, that's got that. Now we're going to grease the spring. This is the grease we use, PTFE grease. So I'll set up the winder so that you can see what I'm doing. Now to do the greasing, I use a toothpick. Very easy and very simple to do. Get some grease on it and then we run round one side of the coil. We don't need to do both sides because once the spring has been wound up, every coil touches the next coil and they squeeze the grease out and you get a complete coverage. Just slowly work your way around. A little bit of grease on the toothpick, then wipe it round. Any excess that's on there that gets squeezed out when we wind the spring up, we'll remove by wiping it off. So we just continue to work round. And on the large coil now, a little bit more up the top, and then we'll rewind the spring, the mainspring clamp back on it, and then see how much grease we have to wipe off. That's not looking too bad, I don't think. Right, put that aside for the moment. That should be, I would think, about enough.